Hey folks, this is Rick from AC Pocono Refrigeration Service. I wanted to share this video with everybody, that's my viewers. It's a snap-on cooler toolbox. Snap-on. And it looks like this would be a cooker, but it's not, it's for tools. I've never seen one. In 45 years of doing service, this is the first I've seen one of these. It's probably a collector's item, I'm not sure. But it needed start components, relay, overload protector, and starter capacitor. And you can feel it's all slippery ice right now. Working great. Looks like a toolbox. Looks like it's a cooker. Like a barbecuer. But it is not. Very cool. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a safe day. Give us a call at 484-764-7738 for all your refrigeration, air conditioning, heating needs. Any make and model. Residential, commercial, or industrial. We're here 24 hours a day to serve the community. Thank you very much.